Hey there! Welcome! In this video we will walk you through the process of scheduling automatic reputation checks for the phone numbers you use as outbound caller IDs. You will learn how to set up a check for a single number, or perform a bulk check, and how to view the history of your reputation checks. Regular phone number checks help to keep a high answer rate for your calls. You can set up a reputation check in a few simple steps in your account at my.compeak.com. First, click DIDs in the main menu and go to the Reputation Checks tab. From there, click Add New Number on the right. In the first step, add numbers one by one as shown in the example. Or, to import several numbers, create a CSV file and upload it. If you import numbers from a file, specify if the numbers are in the international or local format. For the local one, select a country. Optionally, you can select existing tags from your DID number list or create new ones and assign them accordingly to your numbers. These tags will help you search for and segment the numbers you need. The tags can be added or edited from the configuration under the DIDs section. Then click Continue. Now choose how often you want to perform the spam check. Click Continue. Review details and confirm your setup. The system will return you to the reputation list where you will notice your newly added pending phone numbers. It will check them in a while and identify them as marked or approve them for use by assigning the clear status. The approved numbers will be verified regularly until detected as marked, or until you disable the recurring checks right in the list. If your number is recognized as marked, contact our support team, and we'll replace it for you. Go to Reputation Logs if you wish to view the check history. Here you can see the main statistics and filter the records according to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and good luck!